Hey guys, it's Dan LaPerry. This is my very first video on YouTube, and wanted to make this because the last probably year and a half, I have really enjoyed electric skateboards. Yeah, electric skateboards. I'm a middle-aged guy, a little on the chubby side, but here's the thing. I've had so much fun doing this, and I've ridden so many different boards now that I thought, you know what, I'm going to start telling other people about the different boards, my experiences, and basically that's it. And so that's why I'm doing this, my very first video here. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, just keep moving along. But the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk about the BKB build kit board that I built with my son, and how long it took to get here, how long it took us to put it together, the good, the bad, the ugly. So stay tuned. Okay, so as far as the BKB build kit board, let me tell you our experience. So basically, I'm not a super mechanically inclined guy, wanted to just get this and learn all the parts and how things work. And it was a little bit frustrating for me. My kid, he's 20 years old, he helped me with the build. He actually did the majority of it. I kind of helped him out. But for two guys that aren't super mechanically inclined, probably took us four hours altogether working on it. I know that's a lot, but for you guys that are sitting there thinking, hey, is this BKB build for me? I'm not really good at this stuff. I'm not good with my hands. No one's worse than I am at it. And so if we can do it, you can do it. It was a little frustrating, but after all was said and done and we got it together and we're kind of like, you know, is this thing going to hold up because we built it? I have to say it was kind of refreshing because we did it ourselves. It was kind of a cool thing, and I've had it out 5 or 6 times, 10-mile rides, and you know what? Everything's checking out. So if in the back of your mind you're wondering if you should do it and you're not mechanically inclined, go for it. A little frustrating, but Jared helped us out with our questions and stuff. But I will say that if we were to do another board after doing the first one, we could probably get it done in an hour and a half to 2 hours. It actually wasn't that bad. So I say if you're looking at the BKB Duo and you want an extremely nice board for a kind of a better price, go for it. Go for it. Our experience was good. Tad frustrating, but that's because we don't know what we're doing. But if guys like us can do it, then you guys can too. I just want to show you, we've got a hill here. Go ahead and show it. This hill is about 37% grade. This is huge. So I'm about a 222-pound rider. So we're going to go ahead and go up this hill and show you how powerful that the BKB Duo is. All right, check out those amazing brakes, almost a 40% incline, and it just smoothly comes to a stop, and it climbed that hill. I didn't even put it on full power. This board is absolutely amazing.